Okay, beautiful Jolly Kids Play School, right? Okay, you really deserve a big applause. I request all of you to enjoy this beautiful show of the children now. And I really appreciate, I know you are very, very busy people, but in spite of all that you have come here, I really love and appreciate and continue to spend your time with the children and they will make you proud. And I
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your motivation.
Left, left, right, left. पीछे पीछे नाचो यारा, let's start the beat. सर को घुमा ले round, पैर जरा up down. इतनी सी ये बात है. तो बनता ही क्या है, जो नाचे ना गाए. हक में तू हाथ थाम ले.
नी तू बोल दिए गला जिवें चलदी मशीना नी तू जो भी कहते वेखिए सभी रिपीट हले मैं नी तू ना बोली I love you अरे बोले तो बोतल गलियों में पैर जब रोला के सारे तुझे बोले को रोला
मेरा एक जिंदगी है काफी उन्हें पाया रुकना मना है मुझे पीने जरा लफ्ज़ मेरे होंठ से छू ले मैं तो तुझे देख के पिघला अगन में जली है जली बसन कली है कली तुझे बस छूना है बेसरी की डली है डली तेरा हुस्न तो सबसे आला है मुझे पागल करने वाला है आज नशा तेरा करके तेरा आशिक करने वाला है सच बोल हकीकत या ये डरी मैं
Round of applause, please. Ashita, best in academics.
Next, Amulya for best in dance.
वापिस ही मैं मधुपट्टनम पे आ रहा हूँ।
Best in coloring.
ओके सर।
Absent.
Divya Suma, best in dance. Rishi Priya, best in activities.
Balasri, best in coloring.
Next, Sayedanya, best in discipline.
चालू होगा सर डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है इससे
Activities.
NC Sri Lakshmi, star of the class.
NC Sri Lakshmi. Star of the class, please encourage parents. She is very excited to take the certificate.
Next, we have Surya Riddhi. She's best
Riddhi. Riddhi Charita, best in activities. Varshini, best in dance. Keerthi Vardhan, Best in Activities, Best in Dance. Ritin, Best in Games.
फिर आगे होगा सामने इसका बोलने के बाद
Umesh, Best in Attendance, is very regular to school. Parents, our children are so energetic, you are able to see on the stage. But parents, please encourage them. I request all the parents over here, please settle down. We'll post all these things in our Facebook, you can download.
ओके आपका ले लो आप हाँ कहाँ पे
Your parents, please encourage the kids.
एक घंटा होता है सर ठीक है
Sahasra, good in
केसीआर का फोटोग्राफर
academics.
है ये
Shreya, best in attendance.
वहाँ पर मैम मैम
Tanishka, star of the
बोला
class.
पीछे से डालो बोलो मैडम अच्छा मैडम डालो पीछे से डालो तो मेरे यहाँ से छोटे
Viduma,
बच्चे
good in
पीछे
dance.
पीछे
बच्चे चले आते
तो वहाँ से है फोटो
I request please send LKG students onto the dais.
हेलो
Lily,
क्या मणिकुंडा हाँ उधर से जाओ यूनाइटेड
Pradyut, good in outdoor games. Ramcharan Reddy, best in discipline. Rigved, good in co-curricular activities. Varshit, good in academics. Vedansh, good in handwriting. Vedic Simha, star of the class. Yuvan, good in handwriting.
Parents, please. We'll post all the videos and pictures. Don't worry. Settle down. I request all the parents to settle down.
हेलो एक्सक्यूज मी
I'm not happy with one thing because when the kids are performing, I see a lot of parents coming and jamming this area, which is blocking view for the back line. Settle down.
Anyone
सुनते भाई क्या
want to share?
एक
Appreciate list of LKG Jasmine students. We have Anvi, best in dance. Adya, star of the class. Amaira, best in writing. Diksha, best in discipline. Hayati, best in co-curricular activities. Laukya, best in attendance. Mahanya, best in communication. Navya, best in communication. Nivedita, best in attendance. Sahasra, best in discipline. Tanvi, best in co-curricular activities. Tanya, best in discipline.
Now, boys. Bhuvanesh, best in discipline. Chatan Sagar, best.
बैनर तो चल डन
Yes, ready?
Bang bang, bounce it, girl.